Okay, we're gonna make sure the seat down here doesn't have any rust or anything down in it, dirt, whatever. So I like to do all this without any gloves on, and like putting the piston rings on and stuff like that. You have a lot better feel and can tell what's going on, what isn't going on. You just, as a mechanic, I guess, enjoy it a lot more that way. Or I claim to be a mechanic, whatever you want to call me. We're going to make sure that's clean. Injector goes down in here. Grab my flashlight. Make sure we go all the way down the hole. Grab our keeper. I'm going to go and clean this off good. Got a bunch of funk on it. Getting pretty excited here, guys. We're going to see if this thing fires up here before long. Let's see if it runs on all four or not. See if it still runs in general. Just cleaning this up. Well, I got it out here. This slips on here. This holds the orientation for the injector too. Get it slipped on there. We've got this special O-ring, and it's got a radius on one side that goes down into there, just like a rocker arm would. Clean out our nut real quick, slip it on there, run it down. Now I couldn't find anywhere in the book what the heck the torques were for this thing. I have the original repair book, but I've been I torqued the rest of these to, I believe the torque wrench says 40 foot-pounds here, which is probably overkill, but that's what we're doing, and it feels about right to me. I like to check about 3 times, and that's what we're going to try. If it's not enough, we'll cinch them down a little farther, but that there is back together. I'm going to pull all the rags out of all the places here. The injectors have been dripping this whole entire time, or the tubes that go to the injectors have been. Pulling the rags out of the intake ports right quick. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off, bleed these injector lines, hook up all the injectors, and clean up some of my tools here, and then we'll see if she runs on all four or not. Okay guys, here we go. Injector lines are hooked up. Haven't bled anything injector wise. Got a wrench here. Also, I've got my fire extinguisher that actually has some go juice in it, just in case. It has been dripping diesel, so hopefully nothing catches on fire here. You may have an awesome video if it does, but we're gonna pull this thing out if it fires up, and that way we can finish putting the intake and everything on. We're gonna give it a go. Okay guys, I think we got a winner. Not smoking any now. We got good hot air coming out all 4 cylinders. Let it warm up for a bit. Okay, we do have a problem. This O-ring there, copper O-ring, isn't fully seated. You can see it bubbling out there. I don't know. We may have to see about figuring out where the heck to get that at. So I'm not very excited about that. If it's that or if it's something else here, I'll get back to you. Okay, a quick recap. It does run on all 4 cylinders. We do have a slight problem though. Down in here, there is a copper O-ring. It's got 2 different bevels on it that seals the injector into the head. And we couldn't get the new ones ordered, so I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'll order or go to the machine shop and have them make me some or not. There's diesel sitting all on this head, and the other 3 didn't look too bad, but I shot some WD-40 on them and you could see them bubbling. So I'm gonna get some new ones made or figure out what the heck I'm gonna do there. And after we get that problem solved, we should be rocking and roll, change the oil, put the canopy back on. We'll be ready to go. I'll touch base with you after we get it fixed up.